Hey, welcome back. In this video, we will discuss about the numbers in JavaScript. So in JavaScript, number is a numeric data type in the double precision 64-bit floating point format. Okay, you don't have to worry about this format. Just remember this one, like, hey, number is the numeric data type in JavaScript. Okay, so in other programming languages, we have integers, floats, doubles, and so on and so forth. But inside of JavaScript, we have only one numeric data type, which is called number. Okay, so as you can see, it is saying like, hey, in other programming languages, different numeric types exist. For example, integers, basically the whole numbers; floats, basically the numbers with the decimal points; doubles, and big nums. Okay, so basically inside of JavaScript, we have only one type of numeric data, which is called number. Okay, so if I just go here, okay, so let's do this one, and what I'll do, I'll just do this one. Okay, so what we can do, I can add a comment of numbers, and here console.log, and here let's say something like 10. Okay, hit save. As you can see, it is 10 here. Okay, then we can do console.log something like 3.14. Okay, hit save. As you can see, it is saying 3.14. So basically inside of JavaScript, we have only one numeric data type, which is called number. Okay, so we can do many of the operations as well, which we will see in the upcoming videos. But here we are having the numbers. Okay, so as you can see here, this 10 is an integer. Okay, and this particular number 3.14, which has the decimal point, is called a floating point number. Also, there is another type of number which is called a complex number, but without any sort of external libraries, JavaScript cannot handle the complex numbers. But in Python, for example, there is the number for complex numbers as well. Okay, awesome. Okay, so one more thing which I want to point out in this video is that inside of JavaScript, we cannot store infinite number of decimal points inside of the number. So what do I mean by that? So if I just do console.log, okay, and do something like 4.0000000, and let's do 9, hit save. As you can see, all of the decimal point values here are gone, and we are getting only 4 here. Okay, so as you can see, if you want to do some sort of a calculation where the precision matters for this sort of values, JavaScript is not that much great for that. Okay, so but the good thing is we rarely encounter some sort of situation, something like this. Okay, so yeah, this is basically the numbers in JavaScript. So we have only one numeric data type, which is called number. Number can be integer, float, and so on. Okay, awesome. So this is basically the numbers in JavaScript.